welcome back to the channel, guys. I just wanted to tell you the highest paying cybersecurity careers in Deep Guide in 2026. So this is the highest paying certifications where you can see, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the payment which you'll be getting through in Indian currency per year and US. So you can see like Cisco, CEO, CISO is the most, it's a senior level thing, management type, and security architecture, and cybersecurity manager, cloud security architecture. These are the things where you can grow your career in this cybersecurity. I just want you give you this brief and depth roadmap, like how you can be the thing. So first of all, for the CISO, this is for the Chief Information Security Officer. All you need to do, like the payment will be like across 33 lakhs to 1 CR plus per month, per year, and basically you just need a 12 to 15 years experience. So this includes the leadership skills, the certifications like CISSP, the CISM certs, business acumen are important. Like basically, like if you're enjoying like you just want it to be in a leadership skill and you have a lot of leadership skills, then you can try on this. And second is architecture in security architecture. So in this, like you just needed to be designed the secure ability of an organization systems, like how network works, apps, and cloud are built to resist attacks. So payable amount is average about 25 lakhs per year. Basically scale up to 40 lakh. And basically you just need to 7 to 8 years of experience and deep knowledge of networking, cloud, app security, and certifications. You just needed to CISSP and SABSA. Like basically, like if you enjoy the technical design, like basically like a CISO payable amount you'll be getting management, like managing the people. And third one is like cybersecurity manager. It's a leader of the cybersecurity, like a SOC engineer. Yes, and the job role will be like you will be managing all the tech giants and tech people. You'll be like a security team you have, and you will lead the team. The payable will be like about 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs, and this is also like close to the CISO of management level only. And for the security cloud security architecture, or also cloud security engineer. This is basically faster growing. Like if you're totally deep into AWS and Amazon and GCP environment. So it's basically demanding in India. So basically, like everyone is to the cloud, and people just wanted to make them secure. So this is the way. So it's a premium pay you will be getting it, and this is the highest payment you will be getting in the cloud for security. It's the best combination, obviously. And this is the thing like DevSecOps Engineer. This is big in security into the software development pipeline, automated scanning, and secure CID, CD. Basically, if you like automations plus coding and security together. And the sixth one is fantastic rendition tester. Red team we can call like he's like finding the weakness of the systems and catching the threats, criminals. And if you love the offensive hands-on thing, the payable feels good. But in India, like most of the people are using this only. So try focus on SOC. SOC is the best. Yeah, this is the like for the SOC analyst. I just said for SOC analyst how you can be. So if you're entering in the SOC analyst, this is the best part. Then if, like basically this roadmap is for the CISO, how to become CISO. First get into the SOC, then level up your skills, then again get into this and a security engineer, then go with the cybersecurity manager or security architecture. So you can be like this one or this one. Yeah, let's see. So to the roadmap, perfect roadmap you can find. So this is the certifications for the CISO. You need this new CISSP is most important. And this is the CSSM, and for the fantastic recipe is important for cloud security, which is given by the AWS, Amazon, and security, Azure Security, and CISSP. And for all the entries, you just need the competency plus. This is the most common thing where you can get started with the career. So this is my honest recommendation for you. Like if you wanted the highest paying long term, aim for the management track. CISO is the top honor and management roles you have to actually. But realistic start technical benefits like become a SOC analyst, you was skills you can Wazo the store where you can basically say this is the Wazo tool. It is managing form. Show you the tool. Yeah, this is the Wazo. You will be doing all the things. This is taking time for the load. I will be showing you later. Yeah, this is the roadmap where you can do. So thank you for watching my video and have a nice day and enjoy learning to the best.